Hey guys, it's Lucy Kate and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are back with yet another TikTok trend makeup video. So I myself of course do not do TikTok, but the TikTok trends end up rolling onto Instagram and YouTube, and I just really enjoy trying out these trend makeups. It's a fun way to find new makeup styles which I enjoy and can incorporate into my daily makeup routine. So in today's video we will be trying out the viral strawberry makeup trend, Strawberry Girl Makeup. So before we get into the video, if you're not subscribed, definitely hit the subscribe button, and this is my Instagram. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Seeing as we have a strawberry theme, I decided to wear this like really cute red and white checkered top today, and I do have a red headband on. And I will say, so I cut my bangs by myself. When I cut them back in January/February, they were pretty light bangs, pretty easy to style. Kind of messed up bangs this time and cut really heavy bangs, so I'm not having the best bangs day. Yeah, last time I did Latte Girl Makeup Trend, it was also because I found Hailey Bieber's Instagram post, and the Strawberry Girl Makeup Trend I actually found from Hailey as well. My image when I first heard the word Strawberry Girl Makeup was like really bright red lips, bright red cheeks, but it seems to be that it's actually quite like natural summery makeup. So this is what Hailey posted herself, and it seems to be that it's not most of the people that do the Strawberry Girl Makeup Trend. It's more of like a natural sun-kissed glow makeup with freckles and like cream-based products. Instead of just copying what everyone is doing, I'm going to do my version. So some things will be a little bit changed, but I think it's okay. You know, I think just because a certain makeup is trending, it doesn't mean we have to do the exact same steps. I think it's up to us how we incorporate this trend into our makeup. And of course, depending on from person to person, we might not have the same products. I already did my eyebrows. I already did foundation and concealer. Most of the Strawberry Girl makeup posts I saw, they didn't really apply much powder. So I left my foundation and concealer. I didn't apply powder, which is very rare for me. I always have to set my face, because if not, by the end of the day, my foundation is literally gone. Like, it absorbs. But seeing as I'm just gonna film this video, I didn't apply any powder, and it's already gonna start to cake up if I'm not careful. I didn't really have that many glowy face products, so that's why I didn't want to apply the powder, because it would make it even more mattifying than it already is. So to begin with, cream cheeks. I've always been a powder person, to be honest. I mean, even when it comes to face makeup, I always, you know, either bake my face or, you know, I set my face, because my facial texture wise, if I don't, then as I said, my makeup practically disappears. So that's why I hardly have any cream products, and I only had one cream cheek product in my collection. And to be honest, even though I like powder products, I am starting to want to get into the whole cream complexion products thing. So I do really want to get some cream cheeks, so if I can, I will, and I'll of course review them. So I'm gonna apply some cream cheek, and this is from a Japanese brand. This is from Daiso, the Japanese 100 yen store, basically a $1 store, and their makeup is very popular, and I often use the bronzers and the contour sticks. So today we're just gonna use this cream cheek right here. I'm gonna apply it all over my cheeks and just blend it out with my fingers. Then I'll come back to talk about the eyes. I just applied the cheek product, and it's actually a pretty light pink, so it doesn't stand out too much, so it's pretty good for everyday makeup. And we're gonna move on to the eyes next. So I think the main part of this Strawberry Girl makeup is supposed to be the cheeks and the lips. So I think the eyes are pretty much natural for most people. So the palette I'm going to use today, I think this is the first time I'm using this palette on camera. I don't think I've even used this palette in real life. Like, I've only used it once or twice maybe. And the palette is the Brunch Date palette by Colourpop. The packaging, you guys, oh my gosh, the packaging of this palette is so cute. Obviously, as the title says, it's a brunch theme, so the colors inside, the shade names are all to do with brunch. And the reason why I chose this is because it just fits the theme, and you can kind of see some strawberry hearts. This is a collab with Zoella. Zoella used to be one of my favorite YouTubers back in the day. I used to love watching her Vlogmas videos. And yeah, so it's an extremely old palette and it's obviously discontinued. So as you can see, there's 12 shades, really gorgeous palette. Really love the pop of blues and the pinks, but today we're only going to use 1 or 2 colors. So we're going to use the color right here, which is called Maple Syrup. And I'm just going to apply this all over my eyelids basically, just as like a base color. Then I think I'll apply a little bit of eyeliner, like a little bit of black eyeliner, small wing, and then I'll also apply mascara. I'll just put in the description box what they are, but it's basically the e.l.f. eyeliner and the Colourpop Act Natural mascara. This is what the eyes are looking like. So it's very dollish and cute, and I did do my winged eyeliner slightly different to usually. So usually I bring the wing up from pretty low and extend it a lot, but I kept it pretty high up to give that kind of like cutesy vibe. And yeah, so I'm liking how this looks. So far it looks very natural, but this is where we're going to really turn it into a strawberry. So obviously, if you see what a strawberry looks like, you can see that it has the seeds on a strawberry. So one of the main things of this strawberry girl makeup is people put freckles, like small cute freckles over the nose and the top of the cheeks. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do. Keep in mind that I said attempt because I did try freckles in like my 90s makeup, I think. Or like, yeah, I tried it like 1 or 2 times, and both times it didn't go well, so I ended up taking it off. But of course, because this is strawberry makeup, I do want to make sure I have a good amount of freckles this time. And to be honest, I do actually like my natural skin. My skin without foundation actually has lots of freckles. I have lots of freckles. I mean, you can kind of see some of them, but I have lots around here and here. But I do tend to cover it with foundation. So you can't really see my natural freckles that much. So that's why we're gonna put them on top. And what we're gonna do is, seeing as we have this brunch date palette in front of us, let's see, I'm gonna try this color right here, which is called Americano. This seems like a nice ashy brown to do freckles with. So I'm gonna get like an eyeliner brush and just put freckles on my nose and on my cheeks. So this is what the freckles look like, and I'm not really feeling them. Let's be honest, I'm not feeling the freckles, but because the strawberry makeup, you kind of need the freckles, I'm gonna keep it on. But yeah, I think it's because I used an eyeliner brush, and you know, it's still technically too thick to write really, you know, small freckles. So not the best look. I'd suggest if you have like a brown eyeliner pen, it would probably work better. But we can just roll with it. I mean, I don't really like the nose area, but I don't know. I just feel like I overdid the freckles, but I mean, I don't know. Maybe with highlighter and lipstick, I can kind of like not make it stand out as much. But yeah, here is my attempt at drawing some freckles. And next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply some highlighter. And for highlighter, I do have the Perfect Cream highlighter, and that is, you probably know it. If you watch my channel regularly, you already know that it is going to be Flexitarian. I think nearly every single makeup video that I do, I'm probably using this. Don't worry, I'm not using the same one. Over the past 5 years, I've gone through like 3 or 4 of these, and it's still to this day, it remains my favorite highlighter. It's the perfect glowy highlighter that is needed for this makeup routine, for this makeup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it on everywhere I usually apply it, basically. So I'll apply it cheeks, and I think I'm going to apply it a little bit in the tear duct as well. So yeah, going to apply this, and then finally I will come back to do the lips. Loving the highlighter. I mean, you can't really go wrong with Colourpop Flexitarian. Made my eyes look way brighter, and I don't know if it's because I'm getting used to it or if the freckles are starting to like blend into the skin, but the freckles aren't standing out that much anymore, and I'm actually starting to be okay with it. So yeah, finally we have lips. So as I said in the beginning of the video, most Strawberry Girl makeup tutorials or pictures, they use a pink gloss or like a natural pink lipstick, but I'm sorry, like for me, strawberries will always be bright red juicy strawberries, so I want to go with that image. So I'm not going to be using a pink lipstick. I'm going to be going for a red lipstick, because I just think that bright red, my image for bright red is like strawberries and cherries. So we have 2 lip products that I'm going to use right here. So the first product I'm going to use is Etude House Mood Glow Lipstick. I introduced this in one of my Korean makeup videos a few months back, and I love this lipstick. It's a glowy lipstick, really shiny, not a matte finish at all. So this is going to be perfect as a base for the lips. And to make it even more juicy and plumpy, I'm going to apply this lip gloss on top. So this is a Japanese brand called CHOOSY. It has a plumping effect, these lip glosses, so this is going to be perfect as well. So this combination is going to give me strawberry red juicy plumping lips. And yeah, that will be the end of the makeup, so then I can come back with my final thoughts. So here we have it. This is my Strawberry Girl makeup, and I went for bright red lips. This lip combo is exactly what I needed to perfect this look. The base red lipstick that I applied was really nice and a juicy red color, and then this lip gloss just gave it this really glowing effect. Like you can see, it's literally glowing. Yeah, this is my take on the trend, and as I said in the beginning, as I said early in the video, it's really fun trying out these viral makeup trends. I really enjoy it. I'm sure that everyone does, but I think we don't need to copy the exact same steps as everyone is doing. It's always fun to add our own input into the trend, so that's why I went for these juicy red lips instead of these pink lips, the pink lip color that I've been seeing a lot. So yes, there we have it, yet another makeup trend that I tried out. I really enjoyed taking this video. It was really fun doing freckles. I think I'm going to try and experiment more to see what other looks I can do. So if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. I try to upload as many videos as I can. If you have any other makeup videos you'd like me to try out, or video requests in general, please let me know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!